how to turn off Incognito Mode on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you enabled Incognito Mode on YouTube and now want to turn it off? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube on your device. If you are unsure about how to enable Incognito Mode on YouTube, check out my tutorial on how to turn it on. I have provided the link in the card section and the description below. As you can see, there is a message at the bottom that says you are incognito, confirming that incognito mode is currently enabled. Now let's turn it off, and it is very quick and simple process. Tap the U option at the bottom right corner. Here you will see the option to turn off incognito. Tap on it. After that, you will be switched back to your primary YouTube account and YouTube will resume tracking your search and watch history as usual. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to turn off incognito mode on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.